Shorts on YouTube will make you have more subscribers and more engagement. I want to show you on how to upload your shorts correctly so that you can get more engagements and more subscribers. My name is Whitey Benjamin, and if you're watching this video for the first time, remember to subscribe to this channel, comment, like, and share this video to more other YouTubers. Into my YouTube studio so that I can show you on how to upload your shorts correctly so that you can get more views and more engagement into your YouTube channel. I will have to open a new tab. Then I click YouTube Studio. Then I will click that Google icon. After that, I will wait for it to load. Then finally my dashboard will pop up. So that is my dashboard, everything in it. That's my dashboard and everything. So I'll have to click content. Then there, after clicking content, I click shorts. Then after clicking shorts, I'll have to click create. I wanna create short video now, so I'll have to click upload videos up there. Then I select files. You get it? So I'll have to select file. Then I select this my video. After that, I open. Then the video will start uploading. After sometimes it will have been uploaded, so I'll have to find description. So in description, I add another tab. Then I search ChatGPT because ChatGPT will help me get very nice description for my title. So I'll come back. I copy that title of mine. Then I copied it. Then I come to my ChatGPT. Then I paste it. So after that, I'll have to search. I will have to search. I will have to, after I've pasted it, I'll have to type there, help me generate description. Let me generate description for the above YouTube title. So I'll have to type that way because I want ChatGPT to generate it for me. Then finally, ChatGPT will have generated my description. So I'll have to copy. I will have to copy that description. Then after copying that description, after copying it, I will have to copy it finally. Then after copying that description, I copy. After copying, I will have to paste in the description side, the description. Then after the description, I will go down. I will have to go down. Then I show you. So where it has been written thumbnail, I will show you when the video ends how to set that one with your phone. So I'll have to check that playlist. Then I click short tips video for YouTube videos. Then I click show more. So after clicking show more, I will have to scroll down and check everything. So here we also have add tags. So when we are adding tags, I want to show you something here. When you're adding tags, I will also copy that title. Then I add another tab. Then I search rapid tags. Rapid tags can help you generate tags for your YouTube titles, right? So you'll have to click it. Then after clicking it, I click that one, rapid tags. That's the correct icon. Then I start generating. So I'll have to go back to my YouTube studio. Then I copy that title. Then I copy that title. After copying that title, I'll have to go back, paste it there. After pasting it, search so that rapid tags to give me tags. So those are the tags. I will have to copy those tags. After copying those tags, I come to YouTube studio. Then I I paste I paste all of the tags that I've copied the other side here. So I'll have pasted all the tags. Then after pasting all the tags, the next thing that I will do is to set the video location. So I'll set Nigeria as the video location. I'll set Nigeria. Then I'll also set the date of publishing. So the date is April 25th, 2025. Then everything will be fine. You get it? Everything will be fine. So after that, I'll have to go on and check all the places that need to be filled. Then after that, I click next. Then after clicking next, you'll have to choose any of the things, but me, I don't wish like adding related or add subtitles, so I'll have to click next. So it checks here, it checks whether your video has copyright or not, and it clearly shows that no copyright issues, right? No copyright issues here. So I will have to continue. Then I click next. Then I schedule my video. Remember every time you are making your videos, remember to schedule so that you can give algorithm good time to do what? To analyze your video and publish it to the right audience. So remember to schedule your videos. Alright? So I will have to set the time and everything that I wish my video to be public. Right? Yeah. So I'll click there and set the very, very, very nice time that I wish that my video should be public regarding on my subscribers or regarding with my audience preferences, time they are online and everything. Yeah, so I'll have to click 4 p.m. Then after clicking 4 p.m. I schedule. After clicking, I just schedule my video. Okay, so after scheduling my video, I love to go to my YouTube app in my phone. Then I log in. After logging in, I click the channel side. Then I view my channel. Then I click on the shorts. After clicking on the shorts, I love to click the video that I have scheduled the other time. I wait for it to load. Then after it has loaded, I love to click the pencil sign. Then I have to edit the thumbnail because you can't edit the thumbnail in the YouTube studio of the desktop. So you have to edit it on your phone. That is for the shorts only. So I will have to choose the best the best view for my YouTube thumbnail. Then I'll have to update it. And after updating it, that is how my video and my short would be having what we call the thumbnail. Yeah, so when you're doing uploading, make sure you do that. Because very much for watching this video. If this is your first time for visiting my channel, remember to subscribe, like and share.